Happy Sunday! Welcome back. Come for the review, stay for the tutorial. Here we go. So today we are going to be doing a review on the Boxyluxe, and I'm going to give you some of my thoughts, ideas. So I did get my first box of Boxyluxe. Yes, I missed the last one. Yes, I had a little fit because yes, I've been one of their subscribers for a while. And so the fact that I missed the first Boxyluxe unboxing broke my heart. Broke my heart. So we're going to get into this month's BoxyCharm Boxyluxe. And this is "'Tis the Season." Very cute. Love the play on words. And it's a nice big box. And so we're gonna have some fun with reviewing this. And yes, I'm gonna read you every word. Alright, so first we're going to start with the Luxie Complete Face Brush Set. This normally retails for $65. BoxyCharm has sent Luxie brushes before and I really like them. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and give this as a gift. So I'm going to keep it in its package. That's why I didn't use it. But I do like these Luxie brushes that I've received in some previous boxes from BoxyCharm. Absolutely love these. And so one of my friends is getting into makeup and I want her to have a really good start with some great brushes. Next, we're going to talk about the Glitter Tart Lip Paint, which I have on my lips right now. So when you see this here, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like dark and sparkly. No, it's not. It does not go on dark. It does not go on, well, it's got some sparkles, but it is a lip gloss, which is great. I'm glad they sent this during winter. I don't normally use lip glosses, but during winter when I start feeling a little bit more dry, these are nice to have. It's funny because when I saw this color, I was like, oh my gosh, it's in your face. But then when you put it on, it's not. So it was kind of like a wah, 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 wah. If I had hoped for this dark color, I'd have been totally depressed. But the fact that it went on so light, I'm still totally depressed. I would have liked something in the middle. So this glitter lip paint normally retails for $20. All right, then we have the Violet Voss Pro HG palette, which if I would have thought about it, I wouldn't have used this. I would have already gotten out the one that I already own. Duh. As I kept looking at the names on this, I kept going, God, this sounds so familiar. Yeah, I already own it, but that's okay. I used it again. It's got a great huge mirror and the colors on the inside are absolutely adorable. So I use those colors in today's eye look, and if you want to stay for a quick tutorial, I'll show you what colors I used where. I do like Violet Voss. Overall, I think their shadows blend nice. They've got a good pan size. And this normally retails for $45. So I think I'm going to be giving that to my friend after I sterilize it. So I'll be giving that to my friend for her to be playing with also. Okay, so then we got a sponge gel. This one is Blossom Bliss. It's a body wash infused buffer. And this retails for $20. I have gotten several of these from different other subscriptions and I really like these. They stay for a while as far as the what it's infused with, and you can just kind of buff your body and it leaves a really nice light scent on you, and they do last a while. So I had already used my other ones that I had gotten from another subscription, so it was really great to have a new one come in since I've used out my other ones. All right, let's talk about LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. A potent cocktail. And when they say potent, I'm going to get into that in a minute. A potent cocktail of seaweeds that have been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. That's what it was supposed to say. Improve fine lines. Okay, so this normally retails for $89. I used this last night. I went in a little too heavy, so you don't have to use a lot. I actually thought that, I don't know, I just used a whole lot and didn't mean to. So a little goes a long way with this. The downsides when it talks about the potent piece, this is a strong smelling cream. Like, the scent did not leave for a really long time. It was so strong. So I would not be able to use this during the day because it would get on my nerves all day long to have that smell stay on. So I was glad that I learned quickly that this isn't something you're going to want to use during the day unless you like the really strong, potent smell. For me, I really don't. So it's not that it didn't feel good going on my skin. I like the fact I didn't have to use a lot of the product, especially since it's $89. But tonight when I go to use it, I'm going to try to put it on right before I go to sleep so that maybe the smell won't bother me. But I like how it felt really soft on the skin. I'll give it that. Next, we're going to talk about the Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn blush palette. This normally retails for $26, and I used all 3 colors today. Yes, I did. So what I did was I put the lighter color on the apple of the cheek, and then I took the darker color and went on the back side of the cheek and a little bit down here where the contour would be, and then I finished it up with the gold highlight. Love it. Love it. So I have not used Wander Beauty's blush or highlighter palette before, so really like this. I also like that it's very small, and so I can either put this in my purse if I'm going to be going after hours for an event I can touch up, or this would be great for traveling. Just a really good size. Next we have the Lorac mascara. It's Royal Treatment Primer Mascara Duo. So you're going to see in the video, if you stay around for it, what it looks like. I did pop on some false eyelashes because I just felt like today was going to be a false eyelash day. That's all I'm saying. But what I liked about the primer is a bluish purple color. Most primers I used in the past, and I quit using them, have been white. And so when you go to put your mascara on top of it, it's like you see these little white flecks throughout because I guess I just don't know how to put on primer and mascara correctly. However, the Lorac one, once you get that purple on, this actually, the black goes right over the top and you cannot see the little purplish blue throughout it. So Lorac, you are brilliant. You are brilliant that your primer wasn't white. This normally retails for $24. I think the primer and the mascara did good if you want to lengthen, but I want it all. I want my lashes to be thick and lengthened. So you're going to see, and I really only used about 2 coats. I used 1 coat of the primer and 1 coat of the mascara, so that's probably not fair because I usually put on 2 to 3 coats, which I guess that is 2 coats. Anyways, it did really good kind of lengthening the eyelashes. I just want length and width. That's all I'm saying. Okay, then we have the PYT Mini Hair Straightener. And if I was smart, I would have used it this morning when I was doing my hair. But, you know, some days I'm not smart. I love the little case that it comes into. I love the fact the color that I got was lilac, which is absolutely too cute. But this is great if, once again, for you ladies that may be going on a date after work and you need to touch up, or if you have an event after work and you need to touch up. This little thing will fit really nice into your bag, be able to touch up your hair. You can fix it and be on your way to a hot date night and or event to help your business make more money. Okay, last we're going to talk about the wristlet and portable charger. This retails for $22. So the wristlet is cute. And on the inside, it's got a little bitty kind of, I don't know what that is. It's kind of like a little pocket on the inside. I don't know. I guess it's all right. But let's talk about this wonderful piece. So you have a dual charger connector for an Android or an iPhone, and you have an adapter piece. It's got a USB output and a USB input, and they give you one of these cute little charger pieces to go with it. And you just pop that off the top there, and then there's your insert. So if you ever need to have an extra charge, this is fantastic to take with you. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and get this going and charging up, because there are some days that I can't get to my phone charger, and this would have been nice to just recharge my phone on the go, and then I wouldn't have stressed out because I didn't have another way to charge my phone. Anyways, so that is what I got out of my Boxyluxe box. Hope you enjoyed this quick review on a Sunday. And also, if you stayed for the little quick tutorial, we're going to get into that in just a second. So hope your Sunday is fantastic. Until next time. All right, we're going to start with the Tarteist lip paint. This is in a color called Flaming Hot. You know you like it. Now we're going to use the Wander Beauty, and this is a Dusk to Dawn. So let's see what Dusk to Dawn will do. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take Tuscan Sunrise, and that's going to be our apple. We're going to put the Havana Nights towards the back of the cheek, and then bring that down underneath, kind of where we have the contour. It'll be darker and then kind of go lighter. Why not? And then we're going to take City Lights. Ooh, look how pretty City Lights is. Go Wander Beauty. I have several Violet Voss palettes and I like them. So kind of excited about this one. It looks like I've got a lot of pinks, but I don't want my face to be pink overload, so I think I'm actually going to go more with the brownish taupes. We're going to start with Thanks a Latte. Next, I want to take this color Teddy Bear. I think we're going to pick up the color here called Bestie. I'm going to darken it up with Are You Kidding Me? So we're going to take some Cool Beans. Okay, so we have some Lorac Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. Ooh, look at this primer. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put on my eyeliner on the top. I got so excited about this primer. I actually like how this primer turns my eyelashes blue or purplish, which I've tried to use those primers that are white and you don't ever get it fully covered in black. So I'm kind of curious. Okay, this is the final look using everything I got. Now I'm going to throw on some eyelashes. Season Boxyluxe. So this was my first Boxyluxe and I absolutely adored it. Absolutely, absolutely adored it. So real excited to have these products. Absolutely thankful for BoxyCharm for doing a Boxyluxe, and even more so, I'm glad I was able to get one. Hey, what can I say? So if you have received your Boxyluxe, please put in the comments below what you think about the items you've received. If you haven't had a chance to do the BoxyCharm subscription, what's holding you back? I'm really curious. I'm really, really curious. Anyways, I love this subscription. It's always fun. It's great. It always has wonderful products. And the fact that they went up a level with the Boxyluxe is even more amazing. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, thoughts, etc., put those below. I'm more than willing to answer whatever you have. And as always, you have a choice. So make it a great one. Until next time.